How to change search engine in Brave browser. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Brave browser. And once you do that, click on the three dots at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then click on Settings. And here, scroll down to the General section, and from there click on Search Engines. And you will land on this page right here, where you will be able to change the search engines for both the Standard tab and the Private tab. Just click on which tab you want to change the search engine for, and you will find some options that you can choose from, such as Google, Bing, DuckDuckGo, etc. Just select any search engine that you want and it will be set to it. And also for the private tab, you can just choose any search engine that you want and it will be changed, as you can see right here. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change search engines in the Brave browser. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.